Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves effortless beauty, this review might just have the perfect product for you. Today, we're taking a close look at the Nudestix Nude Natural Lips Kit, a 3-piece mini gel color set that's designed to bring out your natural glow, all while keeping it clean, vegan, and hydrating. Whether you're always on the go or someone who loves a minimalistic beauty routine, this might be your new go-to. And hey, before we dive in, if you want more beauty insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on my honest reviews. Now, let's talk about this beauty kit. The Nudestix Nude Natural Lips Kit includes 3 shades, Ally, Tay, and J Mama. These aren't just lip colors, they double up as a balm for your lips and cheeks too, offering a versatile approach to beauty. It's a sleek stick format, easy to carry around, and with its matte finish, you're going to get that soft, natural look that's perfect for everyday wear. The formula is hydrating, which is a huge plus, especially for those of us who love a balm-like texture but don't want to lose that color payoff. I've been testing this product for a while, and I can tell you it's incredibly easy to use. The gel texture glides on smoothly without any tugging, and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, which is exactly what I want in a product that's meant to give me that natural, fresh-faced look. I used it during both my morning and evening routines, and it worked beautifully every time. The best part? You can build up the intensity of the color without worrying about it looking cakey or overdone. Whether you're just going for a light wash of color or want something a little bolder, it adapts to your mood and needs. The shades are all pretty neutral, which I love. Ally gives a soft, barely there pink, Tay offers a deeper rose, and J Mama is a warm, peachy nude. The great thing is that they're sheer enough to be wearable for a variety of skin tones, which is often tricky to find in other products. I did find that they worked better when I applied a light layer on the cheeks, blending out with my fingers for a soft flush of color. As a lip product, it's easy to layer, and the finish is comfortable, not drying, but still matte, which is perfect for someone like me who doesn't love glossy finishes. So, let's get into the pros and cons. First, the pros. These are incredibly versatile, as they work for both lips and cheeks. They're also buildable, meaning you can go from a subtle glow to a more intense pop of color without it feeling too heavy. The texture is lightweight and hydrating, making it great for dry skin. Plus, it's vegan and clean beauty, which adds value for those of us who prioritize clean ingredients in our beauty routines. As for the cons, if you're someone who loves a more matte or long-lasting lip color, you might find these need a little touch-up after a few hours, as they are more on the hydrating side. It's not a product you can forget about for the day, but if you're into the easygoing, fresh look, it's not a huge downside. Is it worth the price? That depends on what you're looking for. For me, it's a nice luxury, but it's not cheap, especially considering that it's a mini set. If you're someone who loves multitasking beauty products and values clean, hydrating formulas, then it might be worth the investment. For those on a tighter budget, there are other similar products out there, but this one offers a unique texture and finish that you won't find everywhere. When we talk about build quality, these sticks are sturdy and feel high quality in the hand. They're travel friendly, which I really appreciate. No messy tubes to worry about. The packaging is sleek and minimalist, as you'd expect from Nudestix, and the product applies evenly, making it easy to use even on the go. Now, a quick note about customer support. I haven't had any direct interaction with Nudestix's customer service team, but the brand has a solid reputation for handling inquiries promptly and with care. They're known for their transparency and great customer service. And as always, if you're looking for something a little more budget-friendly, but with similar results, you might want to consider the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm, which is also hydrating and offers a similar finish. In conclusion, the Nudestix Nude Natural Lips Kit is perfect for someone looking for a versatile, clean beauty product that offers a natural finish and hydration. It's a solid choice for everyday wear and gives a beautiful flush of color without too much effort. If you love minimalistic beauty products that can do double duty, this kit might be a great fit for you. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've tried the Nudestix Nude Natural Lips Kit, I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. And don't forget, The link to purchase the kit is in the description box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.